We've got an email question from Brett that will go to Kip. Brett was in a car versus semi-truck crash. He was struck on the driver's side and then rolled the car. He's got injuries. His car's totaled. The truck driver was cited for inattentive driving and equipment failure. The insurance company's not really going to handle the payoff. A lot of headaches for Brett. How would you advise him?
Well, Brett, sorry to hear about your accident. And first and foremost, if you're having these severe headaches, I would encourage you to go seek medical treatment. Go see your physician and get that checked out. Make sure there's not something more serious going on. With respect to your property damage and your injuries, now, when you have a car accident, there's different pools of money associated with insurance. And so the coverage from the at-fault driver's insurance should, one, pay you for your property damage, but also cover you for your injuries that resulted from the accident. So just because they are limiting a payout with respect to the property damage portion of your claim doesn't mean that you also don't have damages associated with your injuries. So I would just encourage you to maybe consult an attorney, go see someone, get some advice, get some counsel before signing away any of your rights, because it sounds like you may have a significant claim in this particular instance.
Okay.
Yeah, and Neil, if I could, I'd like to sort of jump in a little bit there.
Yeah.
So in addition to what Kip's absolutely right and everything he advised you on, but in addition to some of the things he touched upon, this is another way in which an attorney can help assess a case and make a difference in a case. So typically the car is worth whatever it was worth on that day. And it seems like Brett might be a little bit upside down on that, where they are not handling the full payoff of the vehicle. Maybe he owes $20,000 and the car was only worth $15,000. Well, in a situation like this, we have a person that's an inattentive driver and also had equipment failure as being cited as being part of the causation in this accident. There could be elements at play here where punitive damages could come in to bolster not only the claim for the bodily injury, but also the punitive damages for the damage to the property in this instance. For instance, had this driver had 5 accidents before at fault where he was inattentive driving, had this company that he's driving for had equipment failures, this same type of equipment failure over and over and over again. Those are some of the situations in which both Georgia and South Carolina would allow you to kind of go after these guys for punitive damages and actually get a full payout for that vehicle, and maybe even more.